Hey, it's Cindy again. In today's episode of Expert Talk Babes Edition, I'm going to answer this common question. How long can a wig last? Here's a little secret. It can last up to a year, but it depends on the quality of hair and the maintenance of the wearer. Wigs come in all shapes and sizes and even quality of hair. When you purchase a premium quality wig, it can definitely last you up to a year depending on your wear and tear as well as your maintenance. If you take off your wig daily, you can have a wig that lasts you longer than a year. For wearers who have more of a permanent attachment, wigs can last from a month to a year depending on density of hair and the material of the base. To get the most wear out of your wig, schedule proper maintenance at least once a month, which includes a deep conditioning treatment. I'll link a video in the description on how to do a deep conditioning treatment with your wig. Don't let your wig go on for days without a good brushing, especially from the base. Matting and tangling on a wig can decrease the lifespan, and a treatment won't be able to penetrate those hard-to-reach areas. If you are having more tangling even when brushing often, it could be a sign of dry hair, which means a treatment on the hair is required more often. We also suggest that you purchase at least 2 wigs. This will help provide longevity with both wigs, swapping the system every month and giving the other system a break. Plus, you've got yourself a backup in case of an emergency. So, in conclusion, treat your wig with love and care and you will definitely have that long-lasting relationship with it. Hope that answers your question. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next week on Expert Talk Babes Edition.